There he is again, offloading, finding Nonu! Nonu's in big space. Go boy! He should do it! He does do it!
Yes boy, what a try, Ma'a Nonu!
To school in New Zealand. We are the first back-to-back Rugby World Cup champions. Welcome to the NEWS News for Rahina, the 2nd of November. I'm Brianna.
And kia ora, I'm Kaylee. Go on, you good things. We start the day with some rugby field news.
Year 5 to 8 are of course allowed over the road to play at interval and lunch times.
You must make sure you cross the Eglinton Street at the pedestrian crossing. Kia ora to all students using the crossing correctly.
And there's plenty of touch training during the week. Plenty of future All Blacks getting ready for the 2027 Rugby World Cup.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is hiramoi, which is te reo for sleepy.
As in, kei te hiramoi aho. I'm sleepy. Ugh.
Yeah, watching all those replays of the rugby.
Alright, it's Rahina, which means we announce a tidy class for the week.
Pizza drum roll for
Room 11. Congratulations. We're on our way to the Tidy Class World Cup. Yeah.
high vis vests. Keep wearing them to and from school.
It's time for sun hats at playtimes and lunchtimes too. Kia ora.
Okay, if you miss any notices, you can read the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Hey look, there's the first word.
Wow, that's what we just said at the start.
I thought that was the last word.
No.
Pet Day News. All year 7 and 8 stewards. Please see Mrs. Shaw in room 6 at interval. Kia ora.
And all sand sources and vegetable animals to be cleared out of the hall by the end of the day, please.
Year 5 and 6 mini ball news. You have training today at 12:45 on the new courts.
Library news. The library is open for Rā Apa and Rā Miri.
Remember to shelve the books with care or get a librarian to help you.
Swimming news. Juniors, bring your gears tomorrow. You're in the pool.
Winton's Got Talent. It's the last day to get your entries in. Senior heats start next week.
Oh! Birthday news. A big happy birthday to Courtney Mitchell in room 3, who turned 6 on Friday with all the Pet Day celebrations.
And on Saturday, Sam Cowie also turned the big 6.
Hold the phone, Batman. It doesn't stop there.
Jacob Stephen is kicking goals from over the park because he hits the full 9 today. Booked. Rā whānau kia koutou.
Okay, that's all for today from everyone here at the NEWS team. Ka kitea popo.
Haere rā Winton School in 4 more years, Australia. 4 more years until we can win that cup again.